The Device Properties bar in PROVIZE Explorer lets you view and edit the details of the devices. The Device Properties bar contains the following functions. The Reload Single Device button lets you reload individual devices displayed in the list. The Save Config function lets you save the changes you made. You can also identify the discovered device with unsaved changes in the Save Config column in the Discovered Devices list. Then, click the Save Config button and wait for PROVIZE Explorer to save the configuration profile of the device. The Ping function lets you troubleshoot the accessibility of devices displayed in the Discovered Devices list. Click the Start Ping button and wait for PROVIZE Explorer to perform the operation. When the ping is successful, PROVIZE Explorer displays the delay time in milliseconds. The Start Signal button lets you activate and deactivate the flash function for devices. To stop the signaling, click the Stop Signal button. Signaling is available for devices with the high discovery mode set to read-write access. When the Start Signal button is grayed out, the signaling function is unavailable on the device. The Open Interface function lets you open the web interface for a device with a valid IPv4 address. The IPv4 address field specifies the IPv4 address that allows you to access the device management. With a valid prefix length, the subnet mask field is visible below the prefix length field. After you set the IPv4 address, you can verify and accept the HTTPS certificate of the device. When the fingerprints are the same, click the Accept button. If the HTTPS protocol is unavailable, you can accept the unsecure connection using HTTP. After you set the IPv4 address and accept the HTTPS certificate, you can set the initial password of a device. The right button saves the initial password on the device. And the High Discovery Mode field lets you select the High Discovery Mode. The default High Discovery Mode of a device is read-write. The Security Recommendation notification suggests using the read-only function to help prevent unauthorized configuration changes on your device. The High Discovery Mode disabled function helps prevent a device from being discovered. A limited reachability notification informs you PROVIZE Explorer can no longer discover the device. Lastly, the System Data field lets you edit the system name, the system location, and the system contact.